it is time to make a michelada, which is a Mexican drink based on Mexican beer, which I have here. But we're gonna flavor it with some lime juice, a little chili, a little hot sauce. So here's how you make it. I have a cup of fresh lime juice here. To this, we're gonna add some hot sauce. Woo, hot sauce is ready to go. Now this is the homemade hot sauce. Of course you could use store-bought hot sauce. Now you want 8 teaspoons, which is a teaspoon shy of 3 tablespoons. There are 3 teaspoons in a tablespoon. So, woo, this is a tablespoon measure. I'm just gonna do a little shy on this last one. Oh, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and a little bit of salt. Now you wanna mix this up. Great use for a nice long cooking chopstick. All right, woo. This is just fun. You don't have to do this, but we're gonna make a rim on the glass with some salt, and this is just salt and chili powder that have mixed together. So to get that to stick, I'm gonna run a lime around the rim of the glass that just gets it wet. You take the glass, spin it in the salt and chili powder. All right, now we're gonna put some ice in the glass. I strongly recommend you make this drink before you shred chicken. Shredding chicken takes forever, and it's kind of my least favorite task in the kitchen, so this makes it go down a little easier. Now for 1 beer, you want about 1/4 cup of this, or 2 ounces of this mixture. Into the glass it goes. Now for the beer. You have to use a Mexican beer. Okay, you don't have to, but it tastes good with a nice mild Mexican beer like Tecate. This this is Ian's can opener. I think it's seen a long life. It's his favorite. It has a mermaid on it, but it doesn't work so well anymore because I think we've used it too much. In goes the beer, garnished with a lime. And this is a michelada. The beer with the hot sauce, that little bit of Worcestershire. It is a refreshing way to have beer, especially on a hot day. Thanks for watching. What'd you think? Leave a comment below and let me know what you're excited to cook this week. You can get today's recipes and more for free at our website.